just got to replace the battery on our Toyota Landcruiser. Now Toyota uses this key on a lot of things, so I think it's Hilux and heaps of stuff, so you'll see it there in a lot of listings. Easy job. So it is a CR032 battery. This is an Energizer one. I got a pack recently, so we replaced them all. Easy job. First thing you got to do, pull the little tab over, take your key out. Super simple this. Don't need a tool or anything. You can get in there, push it apart with your fingers. Gentle so it doesn't go flying everywhere. Oh, there we go. That's the key. If there's any scunge or dirt around the edge, now's your time to clean it up. And of course these are in that great child seal, so get some good scissors and don't chop the battery. Let's open it up. Now the orientation, same as what was in there, that's the positive side up. There's a little tiny cut out in the corner. You see that there? We use the edge of that key, trying to push that out. Will that come out? Will that release? Might need something like a little tiny screwdriver or something else. Maybe even do it with a cardboard on the edge here. Nope. That might be strong enough, the plastic. Now I'll get something a little bit smaller and get in there. Here we go, keep it household. Just the edge of a fork. So that's gonna come in there. This is the unlocking part. Get that in, that's all you need, just the corner. Pop it up, that's the old one. Make sure there's no dirt or anything in there. Put the new one in. Just clips down. Back in here. Take your top again, clean off any scunge or anything. There's a lot of pocket lint and stuff you get on the edges. Put the front in. Just kind of all snaps down together. Push and push. There's no gap along there. That's all done. Lights up. That's it. Your battery has been replaced in your Toyota key.